Hi everyone, welcome to Twinr tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable pull to refresh or swipe to refresh. As the name suggests, you can pull down from the top of the screen to manually load the latest data in the app. Twinr Automation Engine enables this feature automatically for users' flexibility. Now let's see how to integrate. Go to Add-ons, Extension and Pull to Refresh. Toggle the button to enable and disable from here. Let's disable and see, save and refresh the preview. You see I can't pull down from the top of the screen now. Let's go back and enable again. Change the color to match your brand. Okay, save it and let's preview now. Download the preview app from PlayStore and preview on your Android phone. Refresh the preview and you see the loader color is changed now. Great! Remember that this feature is over-the-air feature. That means if app version 1.0 is live on the stores, you can update pull to refresh and click on publish to production. And then all the users who has 1.0 version downloaded on their phone will have the latest changes automatically over the air. So no need to publish new version and get it approved on the stores. So please make use of over-the-air feature and avoid the approval hassles. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us on live chat or email at hello@twinr.dev. Please also refer to our help documentation for detailed information. That's it for this video and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe for more updates from Twinr. Thanks for watching.